once there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
ZTE may soon announce a couple of new smartphones. About a week ago, two phones, the Blade 20 and Blade A5, 2020, were seen at the FCC. The latter has now appeared on TENAA's database. The specs point at a mid-range phone with a big battery, and included images show it will have triple rear cameras in a square housing like the upcoming Pixel 4. The ZTE Blade 20 has model number V1050 according to TENAA, and it was certified on October 10th. The phone has a 6.088-inch screen, with a 1560x720 resolution. There is a camera visible in front and seems to be inside a very small notch. Inside the phone is a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor paired with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of expandable storage, 512 GB maximum. The processor will draw power from a 4870 mAh battery. The FCC documents revealed it has support for 18W fast charge, which should be good news for those eyeing the device. The Blade 20 has a square-shaped camera housing at the top left corner of its rear. Inside it is a 16MP primary rear camera paired with an 8MP sensor that is likely an ultra-wide camera, and another 2MP sensor that should be for capturing depth details. There is also a fingerprint scanner on the back of the phone. TENAA says the front-facing camera is a 5MP sensor. There is a red power button and volume control button on the right side of the phone's frame, while the SIM Plus microSD tray is on the left. FCC already revealed it has an audio jack and a USB Type-C port. The phone will run Android 9 Pie out of the box and should have ZTE's MIFAVR UI on top. When it launches, it will be available in black and peacock blue. Its dimensions are given as 155 into 72.7 into 8.95 millimeters, and its weight is 164 grams. The specs of the Blade 20 are similar to that of the recently announced Blade A7S, but with a bigger battery, a fingerprint scanner, and a redesigned rear. Since the Blade A7S has a price tag of 799 yen, around $113, we presume ZTE will put a price tag of 999 yen, that is $140, on the Blade A20. The Blade A20 might launch on October 18th based on a Weibo post by ZTE on Friday, October 11th. According to the post, ZTE will announce a new phone on October 18th, the same day the Blade A7S will go on sale. An image attached to the post shows a phone with a water drop notch. This phone may be the ZTE Blade A20.